Can tenants use constructive eviction for landlord issues? Have you ever wondered what happens when a landlord's actions make your home unlivable? This is where the concept of constructive eviction comes into play. Tenants can indeed use constructive eviction as a legal defense when issues arise due to landlord negligence. Constructive eviction occurs when a landlord fails to uphold their responsibilities, creating conditions that interfere with a tenant's ability to enjoy their home. For example, if a landlord neglects essential repairs or fails to provide necessary utilities like water or electricity, this could lead to a constructive eviction claim. To successfully claim constructive eviction, tenants must meet certain criteria. First, there must be wrongful conduct by the landlord. This means the landlord's actions or lack of action must significantly disrupt the tenant's use of the property. If a landlord ignores repeated requests for urgent repairs, that could qualify. Next, tenants must notify the landlord about the issue. It is essential to give the landlord a reasonable chance to fix the problem. This step is crucial because it shows that the tenant is willing to work with the landlord before taking drastic measures. Finally, if the landlord fails to address the issue, the tenant must vacate the property within a reasonable time. This means leaving the rental unit completely or partially, depending on how severe the situation is. If the tenant does not leave, they may lose the right to claim constructive eviction later. When these conditions are met, tenants can terminate their lease without facing penalties. They can also stop paying rent if the landlord has made the property uninhabitable. This legal principle protects tenants from being held responsible for rent when the landlord has failed to maintain a livable environment. For landlords, it is vital to respond promptly to tenant complaints and maintain the property. Ignoring tenant issues can lead to legal disputes and loss of rental income. Clear communication and timely repairs can help prevent situations where tenants feel forced to leave due to unresolved problems. In summary, tenants can use constructive eviction to address serious landlord issues that make their homes unlivable. However, they must follow specific steps, including notifying the landlord and vacating the premises if necessary. Understanding these rights and responsibilities can help both tenants and landlords navigate disputes more effectively.